what are emotions? Well, to me, emotions are energies in motion. Emotion. And why do we have them? Well, we have them because they act as compasses to guide us. When you're feeling fear, it might not be a bad thing, because it might be telling you, don't walk down that alley at night, or you've got to be careful here. Or if you're feeling upset because you've had not things that aren't eating, that you've eaten that don't sit well with you. Emotions are meant to be a compass. And this work is all about becoming conscious with what's happening to you, with being present. Because if you're present, then all the issues that you've been having in your life go away. You know what you need to do. Your intuition is working. You're not in your head, which is what causes so much fear and uncertainty, but you're deeper in your body. You're more embodied. And that gives you a sense of grounding, a sense of trust, and a sense of being reassured that you're in the right place at the right moment. And why aren't we in our bodies? Normally it's because there are uncomfortable emotions that have caused us to up and out, to get out of our bodies and to be hanging out up here, in the clouds somewhere, or in our minds trying to figure things out, as opposed to just feeling them. So as I've said, since you're not your body, but you wear your body, you also aren't your emotions. You just feel your emotions. And when you feel them, it will allow you to get deeper in your body, like those emotions I had that gave me a good cry. It helped me knowing that I'm not my emotions, so I could sit with that place in my body that was uncomfortable, and I could sink into it. And then certainly, just like unexpectedly, like a wave, woof, out came this, wave of sadness and anger. And then it was gone. And miraculously, the pain in my body is also starting to improve. It was my body helping me feel the emotions. So that's what's important, is to recognize that you aren't your emotions. It helps you to know that. And so I'm going to give you just a very, very short little meditation so that you can become aware of what's happening in your bodies. So if you want to sit in front of me, put your feet on the ground, okay? Relax your shoulders. Feel your feet on the earth, like that. Good. Okay? Recognize your head, which is resting on your shoulders, supported by your neck, in your torso, which sits perfectly in the half moon of your hips. Good. That's it. And take a deep breath. And then just relax. Relax. And follow the breath down into your body. Good. That's it. And when you're doing that, you can feel the chair supporting you. You can feel underneath your legs. Feel your feet on the ground. Good. That's it. And just let yourself come down slowly. And rest in that place just beneath your belly button, called home. And when you're there, just take a moment and feel inside of you. And feel if there's any places of tension, maybe in your shoulders, or your lower back, or your solar plexus, or the back of your legs. And just, if you feel a little bit of tension or tightness, see if you can gently bring your awareness there. And you might have to sit with it for a while. And see if there's an emotion there. Good. A lot of the places are the back of the heart. That's where trust lies. Or the front of the heart if you're wounded. or in your solar plexus if it's tight. And just see if you can move in. That's it. And feel that. And with each step, you'll be able to fall a little bit deeper into your body. You can always take another breath and just follow it down. Doing this every day will help you become more present and conscious in your body, which will change your life. So when you have a moment, it's just a very short meditation. I'll be doing a longer one at the end of the Advent calendar. And open your eyes and see if you can connect with the world from that place called home. And know that the world is going to pull you back out again, but just keep coming back to yourself. And that's the place which is beneath all of those emotions, which is stable and constant. And that's your home.